Hello, this is Emmanuel, and this is my application to the Master's Program in Leadership. I am currently a public health and community health leader here in Ethiopia, and for the last 8 to 9 years, I've been working at the different leadership hierarchy here in Ethiopia. And currently, I am a CEO and a manager at a public health consultancy company, and for the last 8 years I have managed and led different programs throughout Ethiopia, mainly to do with nutrition, health, and gender-based violence. And by attending this program, I intend to enhance my leadership and management skills so that I can contribute even more for the communities here in Ethiopia and globally as well. And I'm sure that I'm going to be a good addition to this program as well. Thank you very much.